Okay, at this point, everyone, the most difficult part of your argument essay is behind you. For the past 2 weeks, you've worked super hard on building 3 reason paragraphs for your claim. And this week, you're finishing it up. Today, you are writing your introduction, and then you'll be writing your conclusion paragraph another day this week. So let's talk about the introduction. The introduction is the first paragraph, obviously, of your 5-paragraph essay. And looking at these steps down here, this is what is included in that paragraph. You're going to sort of define the topic. What is it? And, how is it a topic of debate in our world today? You're going to make your claim, state your claim. What was your claim? Forecast your reasons. So what were your reasons that you wrote about in your body paragraphs, and then have a concluding sentence. Okay, so think of your topic first of all. I do have up here, I just want to note this little sentence here. You are going to be forecasting your reasons. If you need to refresh your memory as to what your reasons were, go back to those assignments right there. Those were your paragraphs that you put together, and your reasons were right in the first sentence of your paragraph. It was in your topic sentence, okay? So let's do an example. Let's say that your topic is, competitive sports. Okay, so you could choose to start it this way with our sentence stem. A frequently debated topic is participation in competitive sports. Some people believe there are many negative effects to playing competitive sports, while others feel differently about this issue. Okay, and then you'd come down here to another sentence. Research shows, however, that competitive sports can be very beneficial. This claim is true because, and this is where you look back at your reasons you had for your paragraphs the past 2 weeks that you wrote. This claim is true because competitive sports improve physical health and have many mental and social benefits as well, if those were your reasons. Okay, then you'd have a concluding sentence like this one. For these reasons, parents should encourage their kids to play competitive sports, period. Okay, so that's it. I have down here an example of an introduction paragraph for the essay we've been looking at on social media in our society. Okay, and the different parts here are highlighted. So you can see the defining is in the yellow, the clear claim in the green, the reasons forecasted are in blue, and red is the concluding sentence. There's a couple of extra sentences in here to kind of just help it flow and make sense, which is fine if you would like to do that as well. Okay, that is it for today, everyone. Step 2 is right here where you draft it. Okay, great job. You guys got this. Thanks.